On day one, renovation begins by turning off all water, power, and gas to the area. Once this safe off state has been confirmed, the work can begin. Here we see the removing of old walls, ceilings, and floors, known as soft demolition. Soft demolition exposes the existing plumbing, electrical conduit, and gas lines for inspection and removal if needed. Once the existing utility structures have been identified, the remaining floor demolition is completed and the floor is prepped for saw cutting of new utility trenches. Before the new trenches are cut, the layout of the new walls and trenches are marked. New trenches are then saw cut over locations of new underground electrical conduits and plumbing lines. The saw cut trenches are dug out to the appropriate depth for the new underground utility infrastructure, and the new plumbing and electrical conduits are installed. Once this installation is complete, the trenches are backfilled as part of the preparation for the concrete pourback. Dowels and vapor barriers are also installed in preparation for the concrete pourback, which covers the trenches and restores the floor. Now that the basic floor with its buried utilities have been completed, workers begin roughing in the appropriate mechanical, electrical, and plumbing connections and installing metal studs for the new walls. On day 90, drywall hanging begins and the installation of HVAC ducts begins. This continues as the HVAC ducts are insulated and sealed, the drywall is taped, and the first ceiling wires are hung. The new design begins to be seen as the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems continue to be roughed in. Once the rough-in is complete, the ceiling grid is installed and the floor is prepped for flooring material. The project looks less and less like a construction zone as finishes such as ceiling tiles, sheet vinyl, paint, millwork, and furniture are installed. Finally, 150 days from the start of the project, the final clean and touch-ups are done. The project is now ready to be turned over to the owner on time and on budget.